Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you'd like to see how I get this set, just keep on watching. So here I am just filing down a new set. This is an old set that I had for about 2 weeks or so, and I am using my Kiara Sky nail drill. So I will be removing this whole set, and I am trying to file down as much as I can. And then after this, I will soak my nails in 100% pure acetone for about 5 to 10 minutes until the whole thing comes off, and then we'll get started. So now I am using the pre-prime, which dehydrates your nail and gets it ready for the primer. Once I do it to all 10 fingers, now this is the primer. And this just ensures that whenever you put your gel extensions on, they hold for a long time. Now this is the base gel. You're going to put a thin layer on all 10 fingers and you cure for 60 seconds. I am using the gel extensions from Enailcouture. These are the 1, 2, 3 Go and Eternal Beige in the style Almond. I already picked out my 5 sizes. Now I will be prepping them by using my drill and edging the inside of the nail. Now back to the base gel. Now you are going to add a little bit of base gel to the gel extension, and then you press it firmly onto your nail, and as you can see all the product moving up. Once you see no bubbles, you flash cure it with the flashy lamp for about a few seconds, maybe 5 or so, and then you can move on to the rest of the nails. Now I am using my nail drill and I am blending in the cuticle so it is seamless and it looks perfect. I'm sorry I get out of frame a lot. It's so hard doing your nails and filming at the same time. So now I'm getting my smoothie, which is a buffer, and I am going to buff all 10 nails. And yes, I do realize that my base gel fell and that is bothering me so much, but I'm going to ignore it. So if you guys see that, I'm sorry. And now I am using my Twiggy and I'm just making sure there's no gel left over on the sides and it will just make my shape look perfect. Silver gel pot thing and I am creating an ombre on my nails. I will be doing this to my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb. And this takes a while and I know it doesn't look perfect, but it's a learning process. I'm going back and adding a little bit more glitter to all those 3 nails for the glitter ombre just to make it a little bit more opaque. stir it in my lamp for about 10 seconds, and then I go back and finish the nail off. Actually, you don't see me, sorry. I end up adding gummy gel to the center of the butterfly and to my ring finger because that is where I will be adding some rhinestones. And those rhinestones that you see in the background, I don't even end up using them. So because I am using gummy gel, you have to put a top coat on top of the gummy gel before you cure the gummy gel. And this will ensure that all your rhinestones will stay in place. Now I am painting little lines in a star form on my ring finger. After this, I do cure for about 3 seconds in the darling lamp. After that, I do apply my gummy gel and then my shiny gel on top. I add a few rhinestones and that's it for my ring finger. do add shiny to all 5 nails. Once all the diamonds are placed, I cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!